the first person expected to take the stand today. Mike?
Joe and Catherine, good morning to you. And that first person today will be someone that was already on the stand yesterday. It was a use of force expert who talked about how he believed Michael Rosfeld acted properly in this situation, but it's been extremely tense from start to finish, from the Rose family to the Rosfeld family to spectators who have been deep sighing, breathing heavily, and then crying during different points of this trial. But I want to show you this video this morning. This is brand new at this morning hour. Late yesterday afternoon, for the first time ever, we saw Antoine Rose a few minutes before his death. This new video was recorded from a camera along Cliff Street. Rose and two other men are seen cleaning broken glass off the car, trying to cover the back window. It is the same car he would soon be pulled over in. Then, that use of force expert took the stand. He's a retired state trooper who owns a consulting company. He's trained thousands of police officers. He told jurors that after examining the case, he believed Rosfeld's force was reasonable and followed the proper training. During cross-examination, though, the prosecution fired back and highlighted that the expert has testified in 41 cases. However, he has never once testified against a police officer.
Well, I think it's important that the defense brings in a use of force expert, because the jury is watching the video and they're seeing a young man running away and they're seeing an officer shooting him 3 times in the back. So the defense basically has to bring in an expert to say that this use of force is justified.
That's a big question. I mean, will these jurors interpret this as a justified shooting? Will they actually follow along in the footsteps of Rosfeld, who said he felt his life was threatened? We'll see how this all plays out. But we are also hearing there's a possibility that this could roll into Saturday. Unclear on an end date for this, and it's also unclear at this point who will next take the stand. We'll work to get that information for you as soon as we enter this building at 9 o'clock this morning. Over to you.
Mike, I want to stay with the jury here for a second. Last hour, we were talking about how the jury may be eager to get home since they're from the Harrisburg area. But our legal experts also said, don't worry, they are going to be all in when it comes to the deliberations.
You have to consider they have been taking so many notes, Catherine, each and every day. So a lot of this information may be dated. They may have forgotten things. They may be confused with the legal terminology and the charges that are being brought against Rosfeld. So they have to have several questions, you would think. Although they're from out of town, although they may want to see their loved ones, this is a very, very serious task at hand. And after reviewing all of that testimony line by line, they have major decisions to make that will be crucial for the future of Michael Rosfeld.
Certainly understand sitting on their shoulders. Mike, we appreciate it.